Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off, I'm starting by slicking down my hair, and if you see this Sunday upload, you will see that I did a in-depth 4C type 4 slick down routine, and this is like the ultimate slick down you will ever see. And I talk a lot about the product I use, that I will also put this the product in the description box, but I talk about the steps I use to really slick down my hair, to get laid for uh, to get my hair laid for days, honey, days. So yeah, so this is how I slick down my hair. It's really self-explanatory, so if you want to watch the video, just go to my description box and you will see. And I use eco styler with a bunch of products, but at the end the result will be amazing, trust me. Make sure you comb your hair. You use at least a bristle brush like I'm using right now, a comb. So when your hair, when your hair is combed out, it's much better for the hair, for the gel to penetrate your hair. So now my hair is really slick. I look like Malfoy from like Harry Potter, if you know. Anyways, I use the Gorilla Snot on top of my hair, and the Murray's Edge wax also. And to slick down my hair, I use this gel, the black gel that you will see later on the video. now into the fun part. So my hair, I waited like 2 hours to get my hair sleek. Now I'm going to install the this ponytail, and the curly ponytail that I'm using is as you can see, Shake and Go Creta girl. And one thing for sure is that the gel at the edges of my hair leave like a little residue. So you want to get rid of the residue, just use any cream, conditioning cream you can have. And look at this hair, how it's slick, honey. Huh. Honey, it's too slick. It's too slick. So yeah, I'm using the ponytail. The ponytail I'm using. I already told you what is that. And there's two comb, one at the front and one at the back. And I use both of the comb just to secure the hair. But the first day I did, tie this up really hard, so my hair couldn't breathe. Like my hair was so tight, like I was so having a headache at the bottom of my head that I was like, nah, 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 nah. I need to wear this hairstyle for like days. I cannot have like headache. So till now, I just loosen up the string around the ponytail so I can finally my hair can finally rest. And just to add a little secure thing, I use bobby pin. The bobby pin is your friend when it comes to securing your hair. Now I'm using the string and then to tie this up. Don't tie this up really tight. Do not. Like I said, I was having a headache, and then I wrap it around the it will take me later anyways. I wrap it around the ponytail, and then I took like little pieces of the hair with some mousse just to hide the front part of the ponytail. And then I took another piece and do the same thing and secure that with all that with a bobby pin, like multiple bobby pin. I think I used like 3 or 4 bobby pins, but you need a lot. Like I'm telling you, you need a lot. Then for the bigger look, I just use this motion to get the bigger hair. So I'm combing the hair inwards, if that is even the word, like in. I'm combing the hair in, so this can be really fluffed out and will not look like synthetic hair that just came out of the box. You want to look at to make the hair look a little bit more natural. Even if it's not yours, you gotta fake it to make it, girl. So yeah, I just fluff the hair out and it gets like this. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to watch the video in depth how I used to slick down my 4C type 4 hair. I will put it in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, share, comment. I love you guys. Bye. Thank you.